Hey guys, welcome back to Here We Mow again. I'm Jeff, and this is Billy. Do you enjoy spending time outside in the summer, but you hate mosquitoes, and you hate ticks, and other nasty critters? Well, so do I. I've found a good way of preventing these and keeping them out of the yard and also away from the house. Stick around, we're going to talk about that today. Alright, so the product that I found that works best to keep mosquitoes out of my lawn and critters away from my house is Talstar P. The P is for professional, and it has an active ingredient, Bifenthrin, of almost 8%. That's a very high concentration. The active ingredient in Ortho Home Defense is also Bifenthrin, but it has less than 1% concentration. So by using the Talstar P, you get a much higher bang for your buck. Just a quick note on Bifenthrin, because I think it's important to know what you're applying. Bifenthrin is an insecticide that's used on various agricultural crops and in homes in the US. It's been used for many years. Bifenthrin works by interfering with the nervous system of insects when they eat and touch it. Okay, so beyond being annoying, why is it so important to spray for insects? Mosquitoes are a nuisance, and they can certainly put a damper on your outdoor fun, but they can also spread disease like Zika and West Nile virus. Let's not forget ants, which include carpenter ants, that can really wreak havoc on your house. Talstar P also works on wasps, bees, and spiders, all of which can be annoying at the least, and even more serious to those who are allergic to them. I could go on and on about all the reasons why we should spray for insects and bugs, but I think it goes without saying that keeping uninvited guests away from your house is crucial. I've had really good luck using Talstar P. It works much better than anything you can get at a big box store. I have used some of the other products, such as Ortho Home Defense, and it works okay. But Talstar P definitely is a much better product. You can't get it at the big box stores. I'll include a link down below where you can buy it. Talstar P is also more reasonably priced than buying something from the big box store. It's very concentrated and it lasts quite a while. So buying one bottle of it will probably last you at least 2 seasons. And it ends up saving you money in the long run, and it works better. So it's kind of a win all around. Before we go any further, I'd like to ask you guys for a favor. If you like this type of content and this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting a thumbs up on this video, and hitting the bell icon notification so that you can get all future notifications. Thank you so much. So I like to use my Chapin Hose End Sprayer to apply the Talstar P. The Chapin Hose End Sprayer is a professional sprayer that's very accurate and provides nice even coverage. I don't recommend using the Ortho Dial-In spray for chemicals. It's simply not accurate enough. I use the Chapin when I need a precise spray application. The Chapin sprayer has a precise metering dial that allows it to be set in both tablespoons per gallon as well as teaspoons per gallon by using the converting piece. The bottle holds 16 ounces of solution, so you can measure the solution by both the volume put into the sprayer as well as the spray output. For Talstar P, I set the Chapin to setting 3, which is 3 tablespoons per gallon or 1.5 ounces per gallon, and I usually fill the Chapin up 1.5 times, which works out perfectly to cover my 17,000 square foot of lawn. There's also a spray deflector that allows you to change the spray pattern, and there's an anti-siphon feature to prevent backflow. The sprayer automatically mixes the liquid concentrate with water. This fits onto any hose and is very easy to use and very durable. I've been using mine for years, and as long as you clean it and maintain it properly, it should last a very long time. I included a link down below. I highly recommend this sprayer when applying chemicals. So let's go ahead and get to spraying. All right, before you finish up, you want to clean up. Take the bottom off, rinse it out really good. Do this a couple times. And then run the clean water through. And then I take the straw off as well and rinse the straw out. You don't want it to get all gummed up. Reconnect it, and then I wrap the hose up, put everything away, and I leave this separated so that it dries out. Well, I think that's good for one day. That should keep those critters and mosquitoes and the ants away for quite a while. We'll have to reapply in about a month. I know we had some fun out there, but I do want to remind you that this is a chemical and you should apply it with caution. Always read the full product label before you apply anything. According to the product label for Talstar P, it's safe for children and pets after it has dried. I always recommend changing your clothes and showering as soon as you come in from spraying any chemicals outside. Okay, I know, enough of that. I hope you found this information helpful and useful, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments box below, and always remember to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. We have lots more fun content to come. Thanks for coming back for this video, and we look forward to seeing you on future ones. I'm Jeff for Here We Mow Again.